Hello, it's Gifty. Welcome back to Gifty Paradise. I hope you beautiful Gifty babes are doing amazing. We are here to give you a bomb installment video. Okay, so this is a 5x5 transparent lace closure wig. This is how I cut the lace. I use a razor. I stretch the lace and then go along the front line to cut off the extra piece. The reason I do it this way compared to a scissors or any other method is because I'm creating the most jagged ends that I can possibly create, which is going to give a very natural melt compared to having that straight line. You can see it. You can definitely see it. Once the wig is applied, now I'm going in to make this hair look like it's coming out of her scalp, okay? The goal is to create scalp-like realistic effect. And to do that, you have to have clean parting lines. Using a rat tail comb, part out the parting space that your client or yourself want to have the styling on. That could be the middle or the side part. For today, we're doing a middle part. Part it out. Use holding spray, either got to be any kind of holding spray, and then go over it with your hot comb. Again, that is part where you want the hair to be parted, which could be the middle or the side. Today we're doing the middle. Take holding spray, got to be holding spray, spritz, anything that can hold together, and then you use your hot comb to lay that down. You're going to repeat that process, parting, holding spray, hot comb, multiple times until you get it to exactly the middle, straight as possible, clean and neat. So right now I'm going in the middle and I'm plucking out little hairs so the part can be more straight, clean, neat. That's what we're going for, neat. While I do that, let me tell you guys a little backstory. So my beautiful client here actually watched one of my YouTube videos. She was watching another video and our video got recommended, and then she booked an appointment. I am a hairstylist located in Minnesota. So if you're interested in booking an appointment, please check the description box. Information can be found there. Using the Gifty lace melting wrap, we put that on the lace to melt the lace down. While the lace is melting down, I'm going to style the wig. The wig is 28 inches. It is a silky straight 5x5 closure transparent. This is how the hair looks. Right now, I'm going to blow dry the hair just to make sure every thing is detangled. It's not clean. It's detangled. It's silky. It's easy to go through just to make sure the hair is ready to be styled. I'm using my blow dryer on the highest setting. And I am taking my fingers, going through it, making sure there's no anything wet. The hair feels very smooth. And now this is how the hair looks. Before straightening or straightening your hair, you want to put heat protectant, serum, something to protect the hair from the heat, but also give it the straight, shiny, luscious, beautiful look. That very silky, straight vibes. So now I'm going to proceed by straightening the extensions. The Gifty lace melting band is to ensure that your hair has seeped through your skin to match beautifully. So I like to leave this on as long as possible. While I am styling, I will leave the band on the entire time. This is ensuring maximum hold for the installment. I am going to section out the back piece of the hair and make it bone straight. This flat iron has been with me for years. You can't even see the name on it anymore. This is my baby. We've been together for years. It is the titanium straightener from Ion. That will be linked in the bio. Is very, very bomb. I can say that. It goes up to 450 temperature. That's the level I have it on right now, and that is why I like to use the bio silk or chi hair serum. You can also use the hair heat protecting creams. They have the creams, they have the serum, but do apply some kind of barrier to the hair before you begin styling. And to straighten the hair, I'm going to break it down for you so that you can get your hair silky, straight, and beautiful. You're going to take the hair, make it in the section. You're going to use your dominant hand, have the straightener inside, and then straighten the hair all the way down. And then just take your comb and comb out the parts that needs to be combed, mostly the ends. You do that again, you pick up a small section out of the extensions, and then you're going to comb it out. Then using your dominant hand, you're going to place the straightener onto the hair, clamp it together, and go all the way down. And then you can comb the ends of the hair just to make sure it is smooth. Comb everything together. Once again, pick up the hair out the section. Then you're going to take your dominant hand, you're going to place it, clamp it, smooth out the top, go down, mostly focusing at the tips or the ends of the hair, and then you always end with a comb at the ends of the hair. Now we get to the top. Mind you, that is recessive. You're doing that over and over, repetitive, sorry. You're going to do that over and over until you get to the top. Now, this is a very crucial part. How do you remove the bump or lumps in your closure? How do you really get your closures or your lace super flat in the front? This is the secret right here. Super, super flat. Look at that scalp. That scalp. That looks like scalp. Beautiful. Okay? So we're going to start by parting out the side. So the closure is quite big. You're going to part out the side, and then you're going to take that side section and you're going to straighten it down. All the remaining hair is on the opposite side. Now you have the part that we have taken out, the little section that we have straightened, and then you're going to spray some Got2b. Next, you're going to take a hot comb and press that down. Look at what is going to make the difference. What you're doing is you want to flatten all of the hair, not just the top. You want to go through each little roll and get the parts flat as possible. That's how everything will lay. So you do that once again. You take a smaller section out of that whole closure piece. And then you're going to comb it. Take out any knots, tangle, anything out. Use your rat tail comb to do that process while you're smoothing everything out. Now you're going to go in with your wax stick to now smooth out the top, making everything look crispy. So you take your wax stick, then you're going to comb one more time, put everything back together, combing the wax stick into the top of the hair. Now, what you do next is to straighten the wax stick with the extensions, and that is going to leave it that shiny but silky, straight, smooth, like perfect. Just like that. When it's steaming, you know what's going on. It's the barrier protecting the hair while creating the shine and locking in the silk. Years after I have removed the gifty lace melting band off my client's head, pretty. Yes, it is. Alright, so I'm going to use the hot comb just to further flatten the front down so that there is no like harsh difference from where the forehead would reach compared to like the thickness of the wig itself. So I'm just going over that, taking the comb, cleaning out the part even more. This is how you really like finish up your style or customize to the client's own head and liking. To introduce myself, I am Gifty, the gift to your hair. I am a Minnesota-based hairstylist and custom wig maker located currently in Robbinsdale, Minnesota. In the description box, you will find my website, gifty.org. You can purchase lace wigs, closures, bundles, and our lace bands on our website, gifty.org. You can also schedule a in-person appointment or a consultation if you're not sure what you need done with me as well. Once I have gotten the part cleaned up, I'm going to use some Got2b, wrap her up again using the Gifty Lace Melting Band. The band is so crucial in every single installment. You need something to wrap and melt the lace into your skin, so you might as well just get yourself a Gifty Lace Melting Band. It's going to be linked in the description box. Yeah, buy this right now. It keeps your hair melted, your frontals, closures are ensured for a total meltdown. Here is after I have allowed the lace melting band to do its work, roughly 10 minutes. Now I remove the lace band off my client's hair, and this is the result that we got. Beautiful. You need this lace band. Please, please, please get yourself a lace melting band. You will definitely come back and tell me thank you, Gifty. So once that is done, I'm just going to go in and clean up a little bit more, fix up the baby hair, and this installment would be done. Here is the full look of how the hair got bone straight. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel. We are at 500 subscribers now, so we're growing the Gifty Babe family. Here we talk about hair extensions and just leveling up your hair experience. So this is the finished look of everything with the baby hair, bone straight. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful ladies for our next video.